Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the video forecast discussion for Friday, May 19th, 2017. We made it to the end of another week and the end of a heat wave. Well, all right, that's a minor heat wave. Technically, a few locations have reached heat wave criteria if we break 90 degrees today. And it looks like we are actually going to be able to do that. Temperatures already are ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s this morning. And they should reach, based on the forecast, anywhere between the upper 80s and lower 90s over the Delaware River Valley and over many urban locations like Newark, for example, and Central Park, while the immediate coast will range anywhere from the lower to mid 80s, and portions of Long Island will range in the upper 70s to lower 80s, especially on the South Shore with that southwesterly wind. But this is it. After today, we fall right back into a very cool weather pattern. We're talking about high temperatures this weekend, ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs by the time we get to Sunday. That's warmer than the low temperatures this morning. So that tells you just how much cooler it is about to get here. So we have that cold front on the way, but when we take a look at the radar, and not much really going on. And this cold front that's going to be moving through really isn't going to produce much in the way of rainfall. Now, when this cold front does move through, and it's pretty much over here over the eastern Great Lakes, and like I showed you, not much really firing here. When this cold front moves through, there will be that threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. And these thunderstorms have the potential, because of the very warm environment that's in place, to reach severe levels. So again, it's an isolated threat. An isolated severe thunderstorm is possible, and that thunderstorm would be capable of some very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, possibly even some small hail, but not really counting on that. So again, most locations will have a dry frontal passage this afternoon and evening, but between 2 and 8 p.m., keep an eye to the sky. If you're at the pool, definitely keep an eye on the cloud cover. If you start to see these big puffy white clouds start to develop and get darker over your region, I would pretty much start to get ready to pack it in and move indoors, because that means a thunderstorm at the very least is nearby. And even a weak thunderstorm can produce some lightning, so you definitely don't want to be near any water. So again, the cold front moves through. Ahead of the cold front, temperatures are going to range pretty much in the upper 70s to lower 80s over portions of the South Shore of Long Island, mid to upper 80s everywhere else along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley and in your urban areas. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our cold front moves through. Again, we talked about the highs. It is going to be hot, it's going to be humid, and it's coming to an end. By this evening, that cold front will be to the south of the region. Look for winds to shift to the north, and you'll notice a big drop in the humidity, and also the temperatures are going to fall off rather nicely. In fact, by tomorrow morning, look for a scattered cloud cover with low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, there will be some sun and clouds. I can't rule out an isolated shower or two. Winds will be from the east-northeast, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures in the afternoon will range from the lower to mid 60s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, again, can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, sun and clouds. Look for winds from the east at 10 to 20 miles per hour. A cold front is going to be approaching from the west. Should I say a warm front? I apologize. Will be approaching from the west, and that's going to lead to the threat for a few widely scattered isolated showers towards the evening hours. A very cool day is expected on Sunday. Temperatures will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s for lows, and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. Again, that is cooler than the low temperatures from this morning. So that kind of tells you just how cool this air mass is. On Monday, our area low pressure lifts up towards the Canadian Maritimes, and as it does so, a warm front and cold front will move through with periods of showers expected. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s for lows, lower to mid 60s along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, sky cloud cover is expected, with temperatures pretty much seasonable for this time of year. mid-50s for lows, upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. On Wednesday, another area of low pressure will approach the region with periods of showers. Temperatures will range from the mid-50s for lows and lower to mid-60s for highs along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, the area of low pressure is slow to exit, and with that, lingering showers followed by clearing towards the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures will range from the mid-50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. On Friday, sky cloud cover is expected with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. So again, pretty much we fall back to a weather pattern that is active, with the threat for showers almost every other day, so above normal precipitation is expected, and also temperatures averaging near to slightly below normal for the rest of May. Pretty much heading into the holiday weekend, by the way, looks a bit unsettled. Keep an eye on this low pressure system right here that could lead to some showers throughout the holiday weekend and temperatures averaging below normal. We're talking about highs in the 60s, possibly even a few upper 50s mixed in there as well. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather. For more information, please check out NYNJPA Weather Premium guidance. We have videos, we have detailed discussions, and we have some fun about the long-range pattern as well. Thank you again, and as always, stay safe out there.